No matter of what model of cordless vacuum stick you have, there is a common problem which can occur over time is that filters which are built in get clogged and you lose a lot of your cordless vacuum performance. The cleaning and the maintenance is really important in this case, and I will show you what you need to do to have your cordless vacuum in pristine condition non-stop. Okay, let's say you did empty your cordless vacuum debris compartment and it is still not providing you a best performance, or at least the usual performance which you have with it. This is what you need to do. In this case I'm using a Roborock H7, a really nice product, but this is common for every type of these devices because they are similar in design with some oscillations in actual performance and battery durability. Okay, I will do this step by step to show you what you need to do. The first thing first, of course, you want to empty your debris compartment. I did that, and I recently had some renovations in my apartment, so I really have a lot of leftover debris which is hard just to remove. This is one part of the filter in this vacuum. We will get back to that right away. So this is inside of debris compartment filter, and as you can see here inside there is a lot of debris left over. This you can remove a bit like this, but it is just not enough. There is a lot of it everywhere, and this can happen with the usual usage pattern with these cordless vacuum cleaners. You need to do this over time. So after a few months you should remove a filter like this and clean it. In this case I will wash this filter. This looks a lot better right now, but it is still not enough. You should use your shower head and do a little of pressure wash to just rinse everything a lot better. I'm just showing you right now some basics. The next thing is that you have this filter. These filters can be different in shape and so on, but what you want to do is to rinse. You see how much debris is inside. So you see that the air is going from this side because it is debris on this side. What you want to do is to take your shower head, put it on the clean side and let the pressure push out leftover debris. So you should I'm demonstrating you like this. You should put your shower head on this side and let the water go through and remove a debris. You don't want to do this from this side because you will just push a debris inside of the filter. Keep that in mind. On this vacuum you can remove this debris compartment like this. And as you can see, you see here how much debris is on this top part where the filter is. This is, I think, a third time I'm doing this since I got this Roborock. And I really noticed that over time performance degrades when the filters get clogged up. And the only way to really fix that is to do a detailed cleaning. So it is not maintenance free. This is the last filter, and it is not a filter, this is a HEPA filter, I think, something like that. I won't wash it, I will just try to hit it like this and get all debris go out. But at some point you need to, as you can see there is a bit of debris inside. You can wash it at some point or replace it, it is up to you. I like to wash these filters and save money by doing that. This is where that top filter is, it is a HEPA filter, yes. So at this point what you want to do, you cannot wash this because this is the place where the motor is. You can take damp paper or something like that and try to clean it like this. On this side also you want to clean. You see how debris finds its way to the motor and outside, and you don't want that to happen that much. But a lot depends of what you're vacuuming. But you know, sometimes you really need to vacuum nasty stuff, and there is no solution to avoid that. Actually, you can have a separate, more robust vacuum, but what is the point to buy cordless vacuum stick and not use it for everything? I mean, there is just not point to have it at all if you want to save it. If you want to save it from using for some robust cleaning, there is no point. Don't buy it if you don't want to use it for everything. At least that's just my opinion. I will show you now how I rinse with this. This is a filter, and you want to do something like this. You see how water is going through, and basically you are pressure washing it and get water. You get water go and pressure clean it. Okay, that is enough. Now let's clean this one. This part is, at least on this model, is really hard to clean. There is a lot of pathways inside, and this is everything cleaned up, and it looks beautiful. Especially filters, in this case this one, you want to leave it somewhere to completely dry out. As you can see, there is no debris inside, and it was completely full, so that is great. I recommend this to be done on any cordless vacuum cleaner at least few times over the year, a lot depending of how much you use your vacuum. I'm not cleaning that much often since I have robot vacuums, But anyway, you want to do this cleanup to save the motor, to save the battery. That's why I have those Viomi cordless vacuums for many years without any problem, because I guess that people just run them and use them and everything clogs up, and that makes the motor to overheat and prematurely die. By doing this, you're saving your device and you're saving your money and time. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please consider subscribing and giving a like to this video. Also, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. I will gladly help if I can. Until next time, see you.